Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So I feel like vlogging today and I'll be talking about so when is the right time to get married? For the guys, the right age would be 33 years old above. So ladies, if you're looking for men, make sure that those men are 33 years old pataas. Why did I say that? Because many things. Older men are those age, they're already mature. They're already serious about life. They're already stable. Yeah, tapos na yung exploration stage nila. Dahil ang mga 33 years old above, asawa na. Gusto na magseryoso sa buhay, yan yung panahon na nag-iisip ang mga lalaki. That's the time where they think na it's time to settle down, have a family. That's the reason why women likes older guys. They're much more well experienced in life. Pero iba naman din yung guys, older men, married men, iba naman yan. Well, actually, I have a vlog about mistresses. Watch out for it. Just subscribe. That's actually the what happened to me. My ex-wife fell in love with an older man na married. That's really a no-no to me. That's why I filed annulment. When I was 19 years old, I got married. Then I got separated when I was 23. You know, in life, it's a fact that there's always somebody who's better than us, just around the corner. Temptations will always be there. And if it arises, if it comes, yun doon nagkakatalo. Mahirap. Yung time na yun, hindi ko maintindihan why she did it. But right now, like I'm 35, I realized many things. So I would admit the time wasn't the right time. So if you're getting married because your girlfriend got pregnant, no, don't do it. Most especially if you're young, because sooner or later it will not last. I was trying to fix things, save everything, but I was only 23. I only had not much. So the guy was offering like house, material things, all the luxurious things in life. And all I could offer was love. And it wasn't enough. You know, yung ginawa mo ng lahat, pero hindi pa rin sapat. I hate to say this, but I need to say it. That money is very important. Money is a big factor in a relationship. Money makes everything easy in this life, you know. I hate to say this, but that's really true. Kaya pansin nyo, talo na ng pangit na maraming pera ang gwapo na walang kwenta. Pero, mas okay ang gwapo na may pera, di ba? Kaya kailangan natin magsumikap sa buhay, kumita ng pera at mag-save para maplano natin ang gusto natin sa buhay natin. It was actually a blessing in disguise because I was able to experience many things in my life. I got to realize a lot of things. I dated different women. Different kinds of women. I tried to understand them. As in, talagang I really explored. I experienced everything. Marami akong natutunan mga bagay. Yun yung sinishare ko sa inyo. So, you'd able to learn and not to commit the same mistakes. Sa akin, I did a lot of things that would improve myself. Like, if I would look back 10 years ago, 15 years ago, like I would say that I've come too far already, was able to experience many things, achieve things at 35. That's actually the right thing to do. Improve yourself and then everything will come into place. And of course, with the guidance of prayer, never lose your faith, always pray. Yung destiny, if it's really for you, it's really for you. God will make a way to give it to you. All the women that I dated before, after my marriage, were all models, beauty queens. They were all gorgeous women. There's always a story behind that beautiful faces. Ang mga karibal ko nun, mga politicians, mayor, governor, senator. There was even a king of another country. Imagine that. He took the time to learn and study their behavior. Lapitin sila ng mga bad elements sa buhay. How they act, why they like, what they like about the men, what attracts them. Malakas ang temptations because madali silang lapitan ng mga kung sino-sino. Another vlog actually yan. Disadvantages and advantages of having a beautiful girlfriend or partner. So wait for that vlog because it's a nice information for everybody. What beautiful women wants.